First of all, we're going to need Decovil. The great thing about Decovil is it feels like leather. And make a little bookmark to match your book. Take off the transfer foil. Right, that's probably, as my ex-boyfriend used to say, an elegant sufficiency, Kim. So this is a little pink casket, which is quite fun. I find this little envelope type bag really useful. It's great for putting little gifts in, a special card that you've made. You'll find all kinds of reasons to use them. I don't have an electric cutting machine, but I do have a friend who has a laser cutter. There are lots of different ways of printing onto the surface of your book cover. And now I'm going to get my machine out and I'm going to do some free machine embroidery just to bring up some definition around the hairs. But I'm not using an embroidery ring. So I'm just going to pour a little bit out into one of my dog food tins. While it's good to copy what I do and what I show you, then it's good for you to take it further and see what you can do and how you can develop these ideas. This is just the beginning. The world really is your lobster. I like lobsters because they're bigger than oysters. So see what you can do.